One of the most damaging things to a fine Swiss watch is water. The longer water is inside a watch, the more damage it produces and parts that might need to be replaced. We would like to show you the whole progression of work that takes place when we are dealing with water damage to complicated mechanical watch movements such as this. We disassemble the watch down to its bare components. Movement parts will be put through a multiple-stage cleaning process that will use 3 different solutions to wash away all the dirt and old dried lubricants accumulated through the years. We will then reassemble the watch piece by piece, wheel by wheel, screw by screw, and apply 4 different synthetic oils to get the watch running perfectly. While one of our Swiss-trained master watchmakers looks into the movement, we'll be polishing and detailing your watch to look as close to brand new as we can. We'll replace gaskets to assure water resistance and look into all the details in the head, band, and buckle. Then we will do the final adjustments, power reserve checks, regulation of the movement, testing, and after a period of quality control, our workshop manager will take a final look at the watch and check all the tests once more. Your watch will be returned to you calibrated to perform within the manufacturer's specifications, looking as new as when you purchased it from us. Of course, as in all Patek Philippe services, you will have a 1-year warranty on the performance of the movement.